Hello, I've got a very quick announcement. It is about the Europe Lab Summer 2018. It is the last call. Last call for the European Lab in Hamburg, August 13th to the 15th. So in late winter, I opened up 2 labs for this summer, one in Denmark, one in Germany, and already I have canceled the Danish lab. Years past, these spots, the 6 spots per lab, went like that. For whatever reason, they're not. So I need to make a decision by July 2nd about this lab. So the lab, again, is Hamburg, August 13th to 15th. It is 3 full days learning with me and 6 other folks. It's a really wonderful deep dive for 3 days. The best opportunity to get really great direct feedback, constructive criticism from me, the wonderful rich conversations we all have as a group of 7 people. And I have one person signed up, and I talked to her, and she said, I totally understand if you have to cancel. I really hate canceling on people, so I'm doing 1 more week, 1 week open. Again, last call if you want to join us in the lab in Hamburg, and I want to sweeten the deal because I've already done all the logistics to find the space. I'm really happy either way. I feel terrible for the one person who has signed up, though she is very understanding, which I really appreciate. Personally, I'm happy to have the lab. I really love hosting them. I have the space ready. On the other hand, I am very busy here in the studio working on the Agerbeck method, my online course, and very, very, very happy to do that and focus on that, and then go to Europe and relax. I'm going over to Europe for UViz. I'm really excited about that conference. Also, I'm very, very happy to have be doing a private workshop while I'm over there. But I'm good. I'm good. So just know that this isn't sort of a Brandy isn't going to eat if the lab doesn't happen situation. I'm good. But I just wanted to give 1 more week, 1 week window that to see if we're going to have the lab in Hamburg or not. So again, August 13th to the 15th, last call, 1 week, and to sweeten the deal, because I do love hosting the lab. Normally the spots are $3,000 for 3 days. Again, it's a very, very deep dive, tons of direct feedback. People see a massive amounts of awesome personal development and growth and professional development in those 3 days. I would like to offer $1,000 off those 5 spots because I want the lab to happen for the wonderful woman who's already signed up. If this happens, she's getting refunded $1,000 too, so it's even Stevens. And yeah, so if you're interested, now is the time to sign up. This is the biggest deal on the lab ever. Probably a one-time thing. Certainly I know where I'm at personally is very, very happy to travel and make the lab happen, but it does take a ton of logistics. And right now I am more than happy to stay home and be here in the studio making online courses for anyone to access anywhere. So I know personally I'm really focused next year on that. So labs, we'll see where this goes, but right now I'm planning to only have labs in Chicago in 2019. So if you are in Europe and you are interested in the lab, this could be an awesome time to join me. Again, for $1,000 off. Coupon code only for the Hamburg Lab is GANZ, G-A-N-Z, 1K. This is inspired by Bruno Ganz, who was in The American Friend, which is how I fell in love with Hamburg before I ever went there. Love that movie. So GANZ 1K, I also like that it means all in German. GANZ 1K for $1,000 off the lab. Again, 1 week window before July 2nd, last call, Europe Lab. Those are all my Post-its, and any questions, please ask them below. Again, you can hop on over to courses.loosetooth.com, find the registration page for the lab. Again, use GANZ1K for that discount, and let's see if we can make this lab happen by July 2nd. So again, if you're interested, act now. because again, I'm going to make the decision by July 2nd to either refund, if we don't get enough folks, refund everyone, or go ahead and have lots of awesome work and fun in Hamburg, August 13th to the 15th. Thank you so much for watching.